How to save money to invest in 30 days. Welcome to today's lesson. Investing can be a great thing, but if you don't have a solid foundation, investing can turn your life upside down. The best way to have a solid foundation is to have the necessary cash that is above the cost of your needs. So here is a few ways to save some money fast. Number 1, create a budget. And really, you need to create a budget every single month because every month is going to be different for you because different things happen every single month. So the first place you start when trying to save money is to assess how much you really have and where that money is going. Consider using the 50-20-30 rule to create a budget. The 50-20-30 rule states that 50% of your income should go to essentials like rent and food, 20% should go to savings, and 30% should go to personal expenses like entertainment. Now, personally, I spend very little on essentials, very little on entertainment, and a lot on savings, right? Me personally. Number 2, save automatically. If you have to manually transfer money into your accounts, you may be more likely to forego saving altogether. Try having a portion of your paycheck automatically deposited to a savings account to keep you contributing consistently. Number 3, build an emergency fund. Some experts recommend setting aside 6 months' worth of living expenses in case of emergencies. This helps you avoid going into debt if you ever lose your job or have to pay unforeseen medical expenses. Number 4, track your spending. You may be surprised about where your money is going, and you need to keep a record of what you spend to see how small expenses add up. You may not think that coffee every once in a while makes a dent in your savings, but seeing the sum of your purchase may change your mind. For example, let's say that you go to Starbucks every single day to get a coffee, just a coffee. Well, the average price of a Starbucks coffee drink is about $5, especially if you get like stuff added to it like lattes or whatever kind of stuff. So $5 every day, 30 days, $150 per month that you're spending just on coffee. Kind of sucks. Number 5, avoid debt. Pay off your cars every month to keep your debt from piling up. If possible, avoid going into debt in the first place by spending within your limits and keeping your credit card at home. With a savings built up, you won't have to put unexpected expenses on a card. Number 6, make a plan. Break your long-term goals into smaller, more manageable milestones for the month and year. With an idea of what you need to do short-term, you can plan how much you need to be saving and set the right limits on your non-essentials budget. Number 7, use the 30-day rule. When you want to make a large purchase, think on it first. Write down what it is and how much it costs, and if after 30 days you still feel it's necessary, purchase it. 8, consider refinancing your mortgage. You may find that you can save money over time by changing the rate of your mortgage, and you need to remember to talk to a financial advisor before signing onto any major financial contracts. Number 9, create a savings goal for retirement. Some experts recommend saving 15% of your income each year for retirement. Determine how much you need and break that down by decades to make sure you're hitting your goals over time. Which is why it's always good to have a financial advisor, but if you're good at numbers or if you are doing it automatically, it doesn't really matter. Number 10, maintain your home and car. Keep your home in good shape and perform regular maintenance on your car to protect the value in your assets. Saving money by skipping or doing cheap repairs likely won't be worth it in the long run. You want good quality work. Your car's manufacturer will have guidelines for its maintenance, but home manufacturers don't provide the same. Common recommended tasks include having arborists check the trees on your property to ensure their sturdiness, painting your home to maintain its exterior, checking your foundation for signs of cracking, and cleaning out your gutters to keep the flow of water off your roof. Feel free to get a free stock worth up to $500 by joining Robinhood down below. You can learn the 4 steps to make money online below. Automate your investing with Acorns, where they round up your everyday purchases and you can put it into index funds. You can create the best landing pages and sales funnels using ClickFunnels, and you can become a master of your money by going to 14bucks.com. Thank you for listening. Feel free to watch more personal finance lessons, and we will upload more in the future. See you then.